Ayan guys, good morning, good morning. Ayan lunch meal po natin guys. Ayan plain rice with fried fish. Sausawan po, suka toyo at ang ating ginataang gulay. Ayan, papaya with malunggay leaves na may sugpo. Yan po ang ating lunch meal for today. Sarap ng ginataan at partner niya ang pritong isda. Yan guys, tara guys, kain po tayo. Mega love shoutout po sa inyong lahat and have a good day. Tara guys, kain po.